Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have numbers for the sales of PCs in the third quarter of this year. And news isn't that great for PC manufacturers, as overall the sales declined 1.3%, as they were growing slightly in the first and second quarter. Now we have a small decline of 1.3%. So here are the numbers, and here's what it looks like for some of the companies. Lenovo is, of course, number one with its sales. HP second, Dell is third, and of course, depending on who you are, so Lenovo saw a growth in the third quarter. HP also, but very, very small. Dell saw a drop, and so on. Overall, it's a minus 1.3% drop. And it is interesting to note that according to Gartner, which is the company behind these numbers, it isn't clear for the consumer what AI brings. So there's no real jump to AI-driven PCs. There's nobody's really going there because it's the brand new shiny thing. Shows that people just don't know what are the benefits and what will it actually bring. So this is going to be interesting to follow, as there's a lot of those that are now going to show up. The other thing also is that Gartner does say, even though these numbers show a drop in the third quarter, they expect a rise in the fourth quarter with the Christmas sales. And they particularly expect that there will be a good rise in PC sales in 2025 as people start to struggle with the fact that they'll understand that Windows 10 end of support is getting near and they'll want to have a new PC. They do say there is a wave of purchase of new PCs and it is going to increase towards 2025. So we'll continue checking the numbers, see what happens in the PC sales. In millions of computers, the third quarter PC sales amount to 66 million PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.